Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is Orange-Glazed no-bake ham. Yes, that's right. And in order for us to make this recipe extra special, we will be using Virginia Jamon De Bola. And yes, even though we go through a lot this year, sa lahat ng mga nangyari, I know that we still have a lot of things na dapat nating pasalamatan sa Diyos. And as always, alam ko naman na sa bahay-bahay natin, tuloy pa rin ang Pasko. Just like the recipe that I'll be sharing you today. This is one recipe na pwede mong i-prepare for Noche Buena. And unlike any other ham recipe, hindi mo kailangan ng oven to make a very special ham recipe at home. So if this is something that you're excited about and this is something that you wanted to learn, please keep on watching. Here are the ingredients that you need. Virginia Jamon De Bola, sugar, oranges, orange zest, orange juice, vinegar, garlic, and white pepper. there you have it, our orange-glazed, no-bake ham. So hindi natin kailangan gumastos ng malaki to prepare something special sa bahay this coming Noche Buena. At para mas masarap ang selebrasyon sa Pasko, make sure to get your Virginia Jamon De Bola. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share. And for the complete recipe details, make sure to check on the description below. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And for more recipe ideas just like this, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless everyone! Bye!